So we can trick them, and instead of saying greenhouse gases, we can say greenhouse water. And then we'll just keep it at 3. So that's simple. So after you're done with the question, you hit add question. So I'll show you this other question I made. What is a major cause of pollution? And I put industrial waste, smoking, unsafe water, and cars. And the industrial waste will be the right answer, so I hit the check mark to make it the right answer so the Kahoot knows. So we're going to say we're done with this. So we're going to hit the done button up here. Well, I guess we need another question. Or we can just delete this one. So we're going to delete, I don't know if we can. So we're going to delete this one. So you click these 3 dots and delete. Okay, so now we're ready to share the quiz. So I'm going to hit done. Okay. Done. And now I have it here. So then we're going to play it. So we can hit play. So usually we do the team. So we're going to do the team mode. And the class will enter this game pin. When the game pin is entered, you're going to enter your name, and then your name is going to pop up on here. And then we can start it. So I can't start it because there's no team members, but when you start, it's just a simple quiz.